Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to enable the Live Translate feature for the phone app on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature can be a game changer for those who frequently interact with people speaking different languages. So, let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or Apps tray. In the Settings menu, locate and then tap on Advanced Feature. To continue, tap Advanced Intelligence. Doing so will load up a set of new AI features on your device. Select Phone from the given options to access the Live Translate menu. Once you're in the Live Translate menu, toggle the off switch to the on position. Select your preferred languages by tapping on the drop-down selection for Me and Other Person. After making necessary changes, tap OK, then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to download and install the selected language packs. Once the language installation is complete, you will see other options such as language and voice are enabled. By then, you can set it to mute your or the other person's voice, select or adjust your preferred voice and speech rate, and edit language accordingly. You can also configure the language and voice presets for each person to use for calls with specific phone numbers or contacts. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to add a number or contact when needed. And that's it. You've now enabled the Live Translate feature on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature can greatly enhance your communication experience, especially when interacting with people who speak different languages. Remember, understanding each other is the first step towards a better conversation, so be sure to take advantage of this AI feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.